Hey everybody, I'm Brad with Renovation Flooring, and I wanted to share some info about some jobs I've been working on lately. We've been working in some condos, and in those condos they're looking for really sturdy, durable flooring that is not going to give them any problems over the years of wear and tear. There's two main options that I would recommend for you, and if you follow me over to the flooring room here, I'll introduce you to those products. So the first product that I'll talk to you about, and we're at the Mohawk Revwood rack here. Revwood is a great product, but I wanted to talk to you about laminates. A lot of people have a stigma about laminates from the old grandma's laminate in your 70s and 80s that would delaminate and swell and things like that. Today's laminate has been completely revamped. It does not have the same core that your grandma's laminate used to have. It has a more technologically advanced core with polymers and things that the edges are also waxed to keep moisture out of the product. On top of that, the wear layer on this product can be up to an AC6 wear layer, which is a commercial wear layer. So this is going to be your most sturdy product when it comes to wear layers and scratches and the sand from the beach that we have in this area. None of those things will really affect this product. And one of the other products that I wanted to talk to you about is, of course, LVP. And if we walk over here to the COREtec rack, you'll see that we have LVP. LVP has been very popular in the past years, and rightfully so. It's a great product. It is a waterproof product. And the wear layer on this product as well is an AC4 wear layer. It is like commercial and residential, but it is a very, very hardy wear layer. So these two products would be the best choices for a condo with short-term rentals in the beach area here. They're going to last many, many years to come, and inexpensive in the fact that you're going to pay way less for this product or a laminate than you are any other type of flooring you may provide. Also, this flooring is a floating product, so for customers that need to change out the flooring more often, this is going to be a better option because this flooring is not glued down. It's just floated on top of the floor, and it makes for easy installation and reinstallation. Again, I'm Brad with Renovation Flooring. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to join us in our showroom here, and I'd be happy to explain the ins and outs of all these products and select the best product for you.